Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am doing a glitter collaboration manicure. A bunch of ladies from YouTube have gotten together and are going to be doing, like I said, a glitter manicure. I am using these two beautiful mixes right here. This one, the first one, is called Raspberry Kool-Aid Cocktail. It is by Wickedly Sick Nails off of Instagram. Look her up. She has got a lot of gorgeous, gorgeous mixes. Again, on Instagram, Wickedly Sick Nails. Check her out. Great prices. Just beautiful, beautiful mixes. And this one was a gift. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if this is called Sugar Baby, but I think it's this Creative Clause. I can't really make out that last word. I think it's Clause. This is a beautiful pink silver mix that's going to be my accent nail. Can't wait to play with these. I'm going to apply these on a palette and then pick them up with a stamper and apply them that way. So first I'm going to be using some She Modern glue gel that is for glitter and pigments. Oh boy. I'm going to put these on each nail and then cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Oh, I guess I should back up here first. I'm always doing this. On the nails, I did put some base colors on first. We have got a Sinful Collections Why Not 2651. The pink is a Model 1's. Beautiful color. It is kind of on the sheer side, but that worked out perfectly for us today. And it is called, oh, let me look under the light here. First Love. First Love by Model 1's. It is a mini. Put those on, waited for those to dry. Now we're going in with the glue gel. We're going to put this on each one of the nails. And like I said, cure for 30 seconds. And then apply me some glitter. This should work beautifully. There's going to be a link somewhere. It's either going to be the first comment pinned or in the description box where you can click and see a list of everyone else's videos. Whoops. Shoot. So I'm popping that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we are going to have some fun with some Wickedly Sick Nails Raspberry Kool-Aid Cocktail. I cannot wait to play with this. I have been saving this forever because I just loved it. Now I finally get a chance. I've had this for, oh gosh, probably about a year or so. That's how much I've loved it and waiting to play with it, and now's the time. Now is the time. I'm excited. Our nails are cured. And we're going to get to town. So like I said, I'm going to apply this on the palette. And then pick it up with our stamper. Oh, look at that. Can you see? Whoops. Whoopsie. Can you see that deliciousness? That is just so pretty. Look at this, like shiny diamonds. Oh, I just love it. Just love it. Whoops. Getting ahead of me now. So I'm going to apply that on the stamper. Get more on than what you need. Apply this all over the nail. And just stamp away. Whoops. Dab it down so you don't have anything sticking up. Apply again, because you know, just, you know, anything showing really. You want glitter, glitter, glitter. Just go to town applying that glitter, ladies. Check your edges. May even have some loose glitter up here on your cuticle. Get a, where is mine? Get your fan brush. Check that out. Mine don't want to come off. It wants to cling to the nail or the skin. I think that's really pretty. So we're going to try here on the pinky and do the same thing. Let these sit. Do each nail. We are going to be putting quite the healthy coat of top coat on these. This wish it wouldn't stick. I should have maybe put some latex on first, but didn't think we'd have this problem of sticking to the skin, so to speak. What do you think? I'm going to dab these down, check our edges. You might have some popping off, just to warn you. These are beautiful. But I do have glitter everywhere. I'm going to warn you. It's going to happen. It does use a lot of glitter this way. I mean, I'm sure there's other methods that don't. I do think this is so pretty. I'm going to get my lip roller and roll this off. I use one lip roller for glitter, and I saved that specifically for that. I just rub it away, or roll it away, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to pause this so I can clean up this little mess, and I will be right back. Alright, we're back. I have tried my best to clean up some of the glitter, because it was one heck of a mess. Next we're going to go in with what I think is called Sugar Baby. This is a really beautiful mix as well. You don't need a lot. Re-clean my stamper. We have some glitter on it. This is a pretty mix also. Look at that. This is going to go on the ring finger. So please do check out the other girls' videos. I'm not sure at this point who all is involved. And I'm sure they're all going to be different than mine, because this is my first real glitter manicure. And this is just my version today. If we do this again, my version will be different, I promise. Different mixes, different colors, different applications, different designs. All the above. So I've cleaned off my stamper the best I could for right now. I'm going to dab this down and get my fan brush to clean off the cuticle area and the skin. I think these are two pretty little mixes. there's a little butterfly. Oh, can you see it? One single little butterfly. I have to have that one on here. Whoops. I need this to stay put. Shoot, where'd it go? Back on our palette. Well, I'm going to doctor this a little bit so the butterfly stays. I want the butterfly right there. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to pop this in for a quick 15. Get a little flash cure on the butterfly, and then I'm going to top coat it with some more, what am I using? Shimano top coat, and then I'm going to go in for my regular top coat. Because this is a glitter, so I'm not versed in it when it comes to gel. So, yeah, we got a little flash on there. I'm using the She Modern, that's not it. Where did I put it? The grip gel. It's this base coat and top coat for foil or a glue gel. So I'm going to put this on like a top coat just to kind of help seal these glitters in. Do not stick this back in the bottle without wiping it off first, so you're not contaminating. Just to be sure. Keep that with me. This is kind of like encapsulating them. Yep, they had some glitter on it. So you definitely want to do that just to be sure. I think this is so pretty, this manicure, this glitter. So, so pretty. So I've wiped my brush. So see, that would have went in if I hadn't wiped. So you gotta wipe your brush. I'm gonna pause because we're putting this back in the lamp for another 30, and I'll be right back. We are back. We are now going to go in with our top coat. Make sure you put your lids on good so these don't harden on their own with the light being on. So I'm going in with my Model 1 steel top coat. So no wipe. Love, love, love this. So I only did for 30 seconds. This time when I put them in, I'm going to cure them for a full minute. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do so, and click the like button. Click the bell also so you get notified of all my future videos. I do upload 3 times a week, on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday, as you know, or you may have heard, is my She Modern Saturday series. I use all She Modern products, and you're gonna love it. You're just gonna love it. She Modern products, decals, you know, the glitters. They got new stencils out as well as pigments. So yeah, you're gonna love it. We're gonna stick this in the lamp for a full minute, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back one last and final time. Harley Marie has all her digits painted, encapsulated with the top coat. You feel no glitter except for you feel the little bit of the butterfly. Oh, and we just came out. There we go. So smooth. Just a little bit of glitter still left on the skin, which would come off with washing your hands, which we need to wash our hands. But yes, here is my glitter manicure. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, please. Leave me a nice little comment down below, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. You can even share them if you like, so that other people become aware. And that's what we want, right? Is to grow and be on our nail journey together. So yeah, this is the end of my video for today. Hope you come back and we'll see each other again. Have a blessed day. Thank you.